Okay, let me just tell you about meal prep. So every other meal service, they put on how long it takes, and I feel like it never takes that amount of time. So when I got our first box, I was like, 25 minutes, we'll see. I actually timed myself. It was like 23 minutes on the nose. And that's when I was like, Josh, this is legit. This is when I opened up the ingredients, and this is when it rounded up on your plate. This was so fast. I was incredibly impressed by that on our very first meal.
TK is easy, it's quick, super healthy, and is a profoundly better option to take out.
Yes. Oh, and the desserts. Oh my goodness. There are 2 desserts that we absolutely love, and they're healthy desserts. It's got fruit in it. It's there's a pineapple yogurt one where you actually put the pineapple in the oven for a few moments. It makes your house smell incredible, and it tastes just as amazing.
I appreciate it.